ain't bad for less than 1,500 bucks.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
A little bit. I got 2 layers of dynomat up there already, and it's still the won't kill you.
Yeah.
So, dude, they got those at Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight for 20 bucks.
Okay. Yep.
So I took it, sanded it down, and painted it to match the truck.
There you go. I like the orange-blue theme.
And it's my everyday driver, so it takes a little while, but
yes, sir.
It's getting there.
Awesome. Could you tell me your name and what's in here for the video?
Bobby, I got 2 I just got the scars.
That's all right.
Yeah, he gets pause button. They're the VXFs. I got 2 of them on a 3,500 watt Audio Legion.
Okay.
Then I got the STUNTWALL with the 4 6.5s.
Yes, sir.
The 2 6.5s in the door, and then the 2 3.5 super tweeters on a 1,200 watt cheap dual. But yeah, it serves its purpose for now.
Yes, sir. Looks really good. Did you build the box?
The box me and my buddy Darren built. It's all double wall, double baffle, double ported.
Okay.
It's 7.8 cubic foot.
Yes, sir. What's the port tuning on it?
It was supposed to be 32 to 36 hertz, but when we was building it, I fucked up one of the cuts, so we built the box a little different.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what it's actually tuned to. It plays anywhere from 28 to. You can open the back door.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
The good stuff's on this side, though.
Yes, sir. I'll go over there in a second. Looks really
that's
good.
The ugly side. Man,
have you tried mounting these regular at all, or always invert?
No, I had them upside down at first, but they get too hot. And I run like all the playing I've been doing, dude. They're ice cold.
There you go.
I mean,
yeah. I'm gonna come over there and look. Is there an alternator upgrade?
It came with a 90 amp alternator, and I bought a 150 for it for right now.
Yes, sir.
But I got another 150 at the house. It's gonna have 2 eventually.
Okay. Very nice. How much did you say you had in the whole vehicle, system-wise, for cost? Just around 1,500.
Let's see. I'd say I'm under $2,000.
That's good.
And I bought that's with the 4 subs. I bought 4 of the VXFs. I had 2 XFL American-based 1544s, the 15 3Ks.
Yeah.
I had 2 of them in there. I put those in that.
Okay.
Well, 1 of them for now.
Yes, sir.
Wood's outrageous, man.
Oh, it is ridiculous right now. That's ridiculous.
That's the monster.
Oh yeah. Very nice. I like that you got your box strapped so it don't slide.
Bro, when I had the seat in it, I had just a prefab box in it with the 2 American bases in it. And a car pulled out in front of me, and I hit the brakes and it hit the back of the seat, and I thought I got hit by a car.
It was the box.
Bro, that shit fucked me up for like 3 days.
Wow.
So
I love to hear it. Thank you, man. Nice. It's a really good box.
It's a badass box. That's some cheap. I'm learning how to wrap shit. It's gonna come out because Travis, he does
custom stuff.
Yeah, all the printing and all the good stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have him help me doctor the box up a little bit better. I got
Man, I've been on fire ever since the late night. My boy can put up on your homie. I ain't talking diapers. Walking till you function on. And I might be type. Get started. You already homie, I'm making you. Full-time player, hopping out an alligator, sipping lean annihilator, homie, I'll annihilate you. If you think you wanna battle, you gon' have to pay some paper. I just hit her and I quit her, I would never ever date her. It's the same house, barely getting loved in the city, travel to another town, you prefer to fucking with me. I just killing this shit, pray to God that he forgive me. They say when you blow up, don't forgive me. Don't hit the ass, don't see like a horse. I popping all these niggas, got me feeling like sports. That's so much good, I could be up in your fort. Hang for me. Getting started. Sipping lean annihilator, homie, I'll annihilate you. If you think you wanna battle, you gon' have to pay some paper. I just hit her and I quit her, I would never ever date her. It's the same house, barely getting love in the city, travel for another time. Getting back to fucking living, got to killing this shit. Pray to God that you forgive me. They say when you blow up, don't forgive me. Man, I've been on for the very homie, I've been making hits.